got into an accident and couldn't come to school. But when he finally came back, his hair had turned into bright white. He said that it was from the carcass macho house. There was a girl who couldn't go and change with the girls in the change room. But when they finally met her, they saw birthmarks on her body. She couldn't quite explain, they'd always just been there. She couldn't quite explain, they'd always just been there.